Hello guys. Want this? Aggressive shakes. Watch with sound on Instagram at @glitchsanime. Open Capcut. Add your clips. Add keyframe on both sides of the clip. On first keyframe, adjust brightness 50. Then add graph ease in 3. Add animation rock vertically. Add video effect rebound swing. Then do same for all clips. Then export it. Add exported clip again. Then split it according to beat marks. Then delete the previous clips. Now add video effect rock horizontally to all clips. You are done. Export your video in highest quality. Like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.